Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Mitsubishi Mirage key. This simple method can save you time and money. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with keyless entry. Next, collect all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Finally, find your car's OBD port, usually located beneath the driver's side dashboard. Now let's get started. Insert a working key into your ignition, but do not turn it to the on position. Leave it in the off position. Next, you'll need a standard paper clip. Carefully insert one end into pin 1 of your OBD port and the other end into pin 4. This creates a temporary connection for the programming sequence. With the paper clip in place, turn your hazard lights on and off 6 times in quick succession. You should hear your car's door lock cycle, indicating that the vehicle has entered programming mode. Immediately after the lock cycle, take each remote you wish to program and press any button on it 3 times. The locks will cycle again after each successful remote. Once all your remotes are programmed, remove the paper clip from the OBD port. Then, take the key out of the ignition. Test each remote to ensure it functions correctly. If any remote doesn't work, repeat the process. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.